गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। जैसे कि मैंने टाइटल दिया है फॉर सम आईएमपी सम्स फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम, तो ये मैंने एक ऐसे ही बस वीडियोस में अपलोड करते रहूँगा जिसमें अब तक के बोर्ड के जितने भी सारे सम्स पूछे गए, ठीक है, वो सब आपको ये वाली वीडियो सीरीज में आपको मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। हमारा फर्स्ट सम है फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ के is -2 a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 2k. Here -2 is a zero of p of x. Here -2 is a zero of p of x. Therefore p of -2 equal to 0. Therefore value of x substitute -2 plus 4 into -2 plus 2k equal to 0. Therefore 3 into 4, 4 to the -8 plus 2k equal to 0. 4 3 is 12, -8 plus 2k equal to 0. Therefore 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 2k equal to 0. Therefore 2k equal to -4. K equal to -4 by 2. Therefore value of k is -2. Okay, easy sum for 1 mark. Okay, second sum. For what value of k is -3 a zero of p of x equal to x square plus 11x plus k. Okay, very easy. Same type here. -3 is a zero of p of x. Therefore p of -3 equal to 0. Therefore -3 square plus 11 into -3 plus k equal to 0. -3 square is 9, -33 plus k equal to 0. तो 33 minus 3 30, 30 minus 6 24, -24 plus k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 24. Value of k is 24. Very easy. Question number 3. It also carry for 1 mark. Question number 3. For what value of k? For what value of k is 3 is a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square plus x plus k. Here 3 is a zero of p of x. That means p of 3 equal to 0. Therefore 2 into 3 square plus 3 plus k equal to 0. 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus k equal to 0. 9 to the 18 plus 3 plus k equal to 0. 21 plus k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 21. Answer. Okay, very easy. Question number 4. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of y equal to 2y square plus 7y plus 5, write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Here p of y equal to 2y square plus 7y plus 5. Therefore, coefficient of y square is a is 2, coefficient of y is b, value 7, coefficient of constant term is c, value 5. Alpha and beta are the zeros of p of y. Therefore, sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to minus value of b is 7 upon value of a is 2, minus 7 by 2. Okay. Product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to value of c is 5 upon value of a is 2. Now we have to find alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to value of alpha plus beta is minus 7 by 2 and value of alpha beta is 5 by 2. Take LCM. 2 minus 7 plus 5 equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to, you will get answer minus 1. Okay. Therefore, answer of alpha plus beta, therefore answer of alpha plus alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Okay. Question number 5. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta is minus 6 and alpha beta is minus 4, then write the polynomial. Very easy sum. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Therefore, value of alpha beta is minus 6 equal to minus b by a and value of alpha beta is minus 4 equal to C by A. Here value of C is equal to minus 4A. Value of C is equal to minus 4A. Now यहाँ पे लिखेंगे A by 1 इक्वल टू माइनस B अपॉन माइनस 6 इक्वल टू K, सम कुछ वैल्यू से मीन्स इन रेशियो फॉर्म। देयरफॉर लिखेंगे कि A by 1 इक्वल टू K एंड B by 6 equal to K. Therefore, value of A is K and value of B is 6K. Now substitute the value of A in C. Therefore, you will get value of C is equal to minus 4. Value of A is K. Therefore, C is equal to minus 4K. The polynomial P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a does not equal to 0. Therefore, P of x equal to k into x square plus 6k into x plus minus 4k. K does not equal to 0. K belong into R. P of x equal to k common x square plus 6x minus 4. Okay. Question number 6. If 1 is a 0 of P of x equal to ax square minus 3a minus 1 x minus 1, then find the value of a. Here 1 is a 0 of P of x. Therefore, P of 1 equal to 0. Therefore, a 1 square is 1 minus 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. A minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 3a minus minus plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. A minus 3 is minus 2a plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, 2 equal to 2a. A equal to 2 by 2. Therefore, value of a is 1. Answer. Okay, value of a is 1. Question number 7. For what value of k minus 4 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. Here minus 4 is a 0 of p of x. Therefore, p of minus 4 equal to minus 4 square minus minus 4 minus minus 4 square is 16 minus minus plus 4 minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. 20 equal to 2k plus 2. 20 minus 2 equal to 2k. 18 equal to 2k. Therefore, k equal to 18 by 2. Value of k equal to 9. Okay? Value of k is 9. Question number 8. If x plus a is a factor of p of x equal to 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. Find a. Let here x plus 2 is a factor. पहले तो क्या लिखेंगे? Here x plus 2 नहीं, sorry, x plus a is a factor of p of x. Therefore, x equal to minus 8 is a 0 of p of x. Therefore, p of minus a equal to 0. That means 2 into minus a square plus 2a into minus a plus 5 into minus a plus 10 equal to 0. 2 value of means minus a square is a square plus minus minus 2a square minus 5a plus 10 equal to 0. Plus 2a square minus 2a square get cancelled. That means minus 5a equal to minus 10. A equal to minus 10 upon minus 5. Value of a is equal to plus 2. Okay. Value of a is equal to plus 2. Question number 9. Write the zeros of p of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. इसके जीरोस निकालने हमें for 2 mark. Okay. For finding zeros of p of x, we take p of x equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. 6 के ऐसे दो पार्ट, 3 2 ज़ा, subtraction minus 1. Therefore x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore value of x is 3 and value of x is equal to minus 2. Therefore the zeros of p of x are 3 and minus 2. Okay, therefore the zeros of p of x are 3 and minus 2. Question number 10. Question number 10. Find all the zeros. Find all the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 6 if two of its zeros are minus root 2 and plus root 2. Find all the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 6 if two of its zeros are minus root 2 and plus root 2. ठीक है, क्या करेंगे? पहले लिखेंगे कि लेट मीन्स हमें p ऑफ x तो दिया ही है, लिखेंगे x इक्वल टू माइनस रूट 2 एंड x इक्वल टू रूट 2 आर जीरोस ऑफ p ऑफ x. ओके, here x equal to root 2 and x equal to minus root 2 are zeros of p of x. Therefore x minus root 2 equal to 0 and x plus root 2 equal to 0 are factor of p of x. Therefore x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 equal to 0 is a factors. यहाँ पे factor is a factor of p of x. Therefore a minus p a plus p a square minus root 2 square equal to 0 is a factor of p of x. Therefore x square minus 2 equal to 0 is a factor. Now we divide this polynomial by x square minus 2. Okay, then x cube प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 6 उसको डिवाइड करेंगे x स्क्वायर प्लस 0x माइनस 2. यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x 0 है, वो लिखना पड़ेगा. x स्क्वायर प्लस 0x माइनस 2 x क्यूब डिवाइड बाई x स्क्वायर x cube divided by x square equal to x square into x cube plus 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 0x square minus plus minus 2x minus minus plus x cube get cancel. 3 minus 0 is 3 x square plus 2 minus 2 get cancel plus 0x minus 6. Now 3x square divided by x square 3, then plus 3 x square into 3 3x square plus 0x minus 6 minus minus plus 3x square तो 0 आंसर. ओके, आंसर 0. तो मीन्स क्या हुआ, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या मिला, क्वेश्चन पोलिनोमियल. क्वेश्चन पोलिनोमियल q of x equal to x plus 3 and remainder polynomial r of x equal to 0 for finding another roots of p of x another zeros of p of x, we take the quotient polynomial equal to 0. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पोलिनोमियल क्या है, therefore x plus 3 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 3, therefore the zeros of the all zeros of the polynomial p of x are minus root 2 plus root 2 and minus 3. Okay, minus root 2 plus root 2 and minus 3. Question number 11. Very easy sum. This carries for 2 and more. ठीक है, question number 11. Find all the zeros. Find all the zeros of p of x equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 3 if two of its zeros are minus root 3 and plus root 3. ठीक है, here x equal to minus root 3 and x equal to plus root 3 are zeros of p of x. Therefore x plus root 3 equal to 0 and x minus root 3 equal to 0 are factors of p of x. Therefore x plus root 3 into x minus root 3 equal to 0 is a factor of p of x. a plus b, a minus b. That means x square minus 3 equal to 0 is a factor, of p of x. Very easy sum. Now डिवीजन अकर. डिवीजन किस किस के बीच में? अच्छा ठीक है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? देयरफॉर g of x इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 3. Now we divide p of x by g of x. 2x क्यूब प्लस x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x माइनस 3, उसे डिवाइड करेंगे x स्क्वायर प्लस 0x माइनस 3 से. ठीक है, उसको डिवाइड करेंगे x स्क्वायर प्लस 0x माइनस 3 से. 2x क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2x. x स्क्वायर इंटू 2x, 2x क्यूब. 0 इंटू 2x प्लस 0x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 देन माइनस 6x माइनस माइनस प्लस x स्क्वायर